Welcome to the Elon Musk Signal channel. The fourth test flight of Starship marks a significant milestone in SpaceX's history with a successful landing after 1 hour and 6 minutes of flight. Surely, this flight will be remembered forever, much like the Falcon Heavy rocket. However, some challenges still need to be overcome, including damage to the control fins and heat shield. After Starship 4's flight, Elon Musk is sure to have some major upgrades in mind. What are they? And what crazy plans will follow for the next flight? Let's explore in this video. As the fourth test mission of Starship concludes, experts are fully focused on analyzing the encountered glitches. In the fourth test, the 120-ton Starship not only soared into the sky, but both stages returned to Earth. It was impressive to see the booster stage land in the Gulf of Mexico, while the upper stage underwent a chaotic re-entry. This is a significant milestone, bringing this super heavy transport closer to reusability. The integrated flight test of Starship 4 will surely go down in history. Starship surpassed the peak temperatures and aerodynamic pressures, utilizing its control fins to maneuver through the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds. Many of the spaceship's 18,000 heat shield tiles peeled off during re-entry, especially one of the forward fins of the rocket, appearing to be battling to survive. Starship is becoming more refined with upgrades to the heat shield system. The decision to transition from carbon fiber to stainless steel is a crucial turning point. Stainless steel provides superior strength and heat resistance at a lower cost, compared to aluminum, melting at 66.5 degrees Celsius, and carbon fiber, beginning to degrade at around 200 degrees Celsius. Stainless steel can withstand temperatures of over 800 degrees Celsius. Using this material also helps SpaceX reduce the thickness of the heat shield, thereby reducing the overall weight of the rocket. Not stopping there, Elon Musk also sets a goal to further improve the SX300 alloy to achieve even higher heat resistance. SpaceX is aiming to overhaul the heat shield system on the S30 prototype, which has undergone a static fire test. SpaceX's long-term goal is to develop a reusable heat shield system for orbit, capable of withstanding the harsh conditions of atmospheric re-entry without compromising the spacecraft's structure. This technology is crucial for building human colonies on Mars and enabling regular space travel. Furthermore, SpaceX is researching and developing a new version of Starship, called Starship V2. This version will feature significant upgrades in design and materials, promising reliability and strength surpassing its predecessors. Previous Starship flights have led the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) to launch investigations, but this time SpaceX seems to have cleared the hurdle. That means we might soon witness another Starship prototype take off, ready for another spectacular performance. And certainly, after this success, SpaceX's fifth flight is eagerly anticipated. Will Elon Musk have any bold plans next? Previously, Elon Musk has mentioned using the Mechazilla robotic arm to catch the rocket's booster. After the success of B-11, this bold goal seems to be nearing reality. 3 months ago, the critical moment arrived as the booster began its landing process. Tension mounted, as it was only 1 kilometer above the sea. However, the excitement quickly turned into disappointment as the rocket failed to touch down. This failure shifted attention to B-11, although it also encountered engine issues from the start of the journey. But the story was different this time. At 7 minutes and 9 seconds, the engines roared mightily, working in harmony with the control fins to land the rocket safely. The sight of flames and billowing smoke signaled B-11's successful landing on the water, completing the unfinished task of B-10 before it. This success has further boosted the morale of both SpaceX and visionary leader Elon Musk. The fifth flight is expected to take place in about 2 months, around early to mid-August. Given the overall success of Flight 4, with no environmental or system damage at Starbase, this timeframe is entirely feasible. This will expedite the investigation process, paving the way for the next flight sooner. Just last month, the S30 prototype completed an impressive static fire test. Additionally, Booster B-12 has also been combat-ready at the production site, ready for further tests. It is expected that after the launch pad is cleared after the fourth flight, B-12 will undergo static fire testing. Then, both rocket stages will be fully assembled and participate in the comprehensive wet dress rehearsal test, crucial final rehearsal before launch. SpaceX's top priority at the moment is to improve the reliability of its engines. Despite performing excellently in previous flights, contributing significantly to the success of B-11, the incident of 1 out of 33 engines not igniting after liftoff remains a concern. Although this malfunction did not affect the flight process, SpaceX needs to thoroughly address similar issues to optimize overall flight performance. Rigorous inspection and reinforcement of every detail of the engine system, from the smallest components like the thrusters to the wiring system, are crucial. Any part, no matter how small, if affected during launch, could lead to engine failure. Moreover, the new hypothesis of hot splitting also poses a challenging puzzle. If this hypothesis is correct, SpaceX needs to ensure that the redesigned system operates smoothly, avoiding further complications. Any changes at this stage carry inherent risks that could disrupt the overall development process of Starship. Regardless of the design, hot splitting remains pivotal in the staging process, significantly impacting the success of the entire flight. SpaceX needs to handle these complex issues carefully and accurately for the rocket to return to Starbase and land safely. Furthermore, to execute a successful landing, all systems on the rocket, launch tower, and control center need to be integrated and operate smoothly. Ensuring high precision is crucial, especially when Starbase is close to a large fuel system. For the spacecraft's fuselage, SpaceX needs to continue improving the heat shield system to provide optimal protection and avoid recent testing flight mishaps. In addition, SpaceX also needs a new launch system, Launchpad B, which is being rapidly constructed. Most segments of the launch tower are already at Starbase, the remaining parts on their way. Once assembled, SpaceX needs to quickly stack the rocket stages to be ready for Flight 6. However, the tight timeline is a significant barrier. Fortunately, SpaceX benefits from experience in building 2 previous launch systems for Starship. Elon Musk and the team are resiliently tackling countless challenges, but I believe these difficulties will not deter them from achieving their goals. Before SpaceX emerged, many ideas about space exploration were just science fiction dreams. But the talented engineers at SpaceX are gradually turning those visions into reality, once again demonstrating the extraordinary power of human intelligence. Excitement is mounting as Flight 5 approaches. The development of Starship is an extraordinary step forward in space technology. SpaceX is continuously breaking boundaries, turning seemingly far-fetched ideas into reality. Starship's journey so far has demonstrated remarkable resilience and relentless innovation. Challenges still remain, but SpaceX is committed to overcoming them. With upcoming flights and significant upgrades, Starship is poised to revolutionize space travel, making it more accessible and sustainable.
What are you looking forward to next? Leave a comment. Thank you for watching the entire video. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for continuous updates on interesting information. Goodbye and see you in the next video.